Hey, what's up you guys? Installing a trailer hitch on your Nissan Titan can take you to some really cool places, like camping, biking, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that really easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. To start, we're going to remove the tow hooks on both sides of our frame rails. Now each tow hook is held on by 5 bolts. There's 2 right here, 2 here, and 1 back here. We'll remove our driver's side first, and then we'll repeat on the passenger side. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. And we will not be reinstalling these. Now with our tow hooks removed, our hitch is going to attach to our vehicle using the 5 holes that our tow hook was using on both sides of the vehicle. So let's go ahead and grab our hitch. Now we're going to line up our hitch into place. We're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we recommend that you get an extra set of hands because this hitch is pretty heavy as you have to hold it into place. With our hitch lined up, we're going to go ahead and install all of our hardware. Each side comes with 5 new bolts and conical tooth washers. We want to make sure that the teeth on these washers are facing towards the hitch. Let's go ahead and put these into place, starting on the driver's side. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. Now with everything in place, we're going to tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer specification. We're going to be using a 19mm socket for all those bolts, and it helps to use a 5-inch extension. Now for the bolt located over our cross tube, it helps to have a shorter socket since there's less room to get to that bolt. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. With our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 2.5 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 19.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories, such as a bike rack and a cargo carrier. So that wraps up our install in our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with the U-Haul Hitch Professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.